Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see my Venmo debit card number online. Alright, so let's begin. It's important to understand that if you have a Venmo debit card, you cannot view the full card number directly in the Venmo app or on the website. This is done for security reasons. However, there are still a few things you can do to view partial card information or request a replacement if needed. First, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom menu and tap on the option labeled Cards. Here, you'll see any Venmo cards that are linked to your account. Select your Venmo debit card. On this screen, you will be able to see the last 4 digits of your debit card number. This can be helpful in some cases, such as verifying which card is linked to a specific transaction. But if you need to see the full debit card number, you will need to have the physical card with you. The full number is printed on the card itself. If you have your physical card, you can check the front for the card number and the back for the CVV and expiration date. If you have misplaced your Venmo debit card or no longer have it, there is no way to view the full number through the app. In this case, you'll need to disable the card and order a replacement. To do this, stay in the card section and look for the option that says Replace Lost, Stolen or Damaged Card, then tap on it. Now, follow the on-screen instructions. You will be asked to choose the reason for replacement, such as lost, stolen, or damaged, and then tap Continue. After that, you'll need to deactivate the current card before you can request a new one. Once the process is completed, a new card will be sent to your registered address, and it will have a new card number, and that's it. So that's basically how you can see my Venmo debit card number online. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.